All right, guys, working on a 2017 Jaguar XE. We're going to be replacing the driver's side or the left side turn signal. Fairly easy job. Blinker bulb is a 921. So anyways, so here's what we're going to do. So you're going to pop off this little cover. That's your screw you're going to be taking out. And then right up underneath here, they have this little access panel where you can go in right here, pop it up, and then what you do is you unscrew this just like so. And you want to pull it all the way out. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so this little tab right here, you want to pull down on it, just like that, and then you're going to pull out on your light. Okay, so as you push down that tab, you just kind of wiggle it and pull it back until this whole thing just pops right out. And then what we're going to do is disconnect this electrical connector. You're going to push down and let's disconnect that. All right, so what you're going to do is you're pushing down on this tab right here. Okay? And then you just pull it directly straight back. All right, so what we're going to do is, so if you're wondering which one of the three is your turn signal, here's how you tell. This is your reverse light or your backup light. This one is your stop lamp. And over here, it's going to say right up top here, turn signal. So this is your turn signal. And what we're going to do is we're just going to turn it just like that. Pull it directly straight out. And then what you want to do is you're just going to take and pull directly straight out. And this is your turn signal bulb. Again, it's a 921. All right, so what I ended up doing is I actually had one of these in my bulb inventory. This was the 921NA, which will work just fine. This is just an amber bulb. Again, the proper one that goes in here is a 921. So what you want to do now is you want to make this electrical connection again, and then turn on your turn signal and make sure this is working. All right, there you go. So now that it's working, we can go ahead and put it back together. All right, so now when you're putting this in, first off, when you hook up your electrical connector, it should make a click sound. That's a positive lock. If it doesn't do that, do it again, and you should hear it click in place. That'll be locked in. So this little bracket right here goes right in here. And then this bracket right here is going to lock into right here. And then the one that you screw in goes through here. So that's where you want to feed that through. So let's go ahead and get that thing lined up. Just like this. Okay, then you're just going to feed it in. See, just like that. And then it just locks right into place. If it's sticking out on any angle or side or anything, it's not done correctly, redo it until you can put your hand around the body line and there's no gap or anything. So it needs to be seated down up against the body of the vehicle. All right, so now you're going to reach up in here, which just kind of makes it pretty easy. Or you can pull that thing down, actually, it would make it a lot easier. This one is so much easier than the passenger side. I do have a video on that if you want to check that out. And then what you're doing is you're just putting it in here. And then we're just going to screw it in. That's going to pull tension on it. That's what the spring is for. It's going to pull tension on the tail light. Okay, and we're just going to keep on turning it until it tightens up. Okay, and there you go. And now you are all set. So let's go ahead, put that back up. We'll pop in our cap. Okay, and then we just want to double check that nothing's sticking out here. And you're good to go. That's how easy it is to change out your turn signal light on a Jaguar XE.